Welcome all of you to my channel Easy IT Education. How are you guys? Hope you all have fun. Today I am back with another video on the Tally and I hope you give it the same love you have been giving it so far. I try to be at your service all the time. I also request you people to continue to pray and pray for me from Almighty so that I can continue to serve you people. Without taking much time, I am going to start today's video. This is our topic today. Importance of Tally. Tally is a popular accounting software widely used by businesses to manage their financial transactions and perform various accounting functions. Here are some key features of Tally. Number one, bookkeeping. Tally allows you to maintain comprehensive financial records by recording transactions such as sales, purchases, receipts, payments, and journal entries. It supports both single entry and double entry bookkeeping systems. Number two, general ledger. Tally provides a general ledger module where you can create and maintain ledger accounts for assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. It automatically updates the balances of these accounts based on the transactions recorded. Number three, accounts receivable and payable. You can manage your accounts receivable and accounts payable processes in Tally. It enables you to track outstanding customer invoices and vendor bills, general aging reports, and streamline the collection and payment processes. Number four, inventory management. Tally offers inventory management features to track stock levels, record purchases and sales of goods, and manage stock valuation. It supports various inventory valuation methods like FIFO, first in first out, LIFO, last in first out, and weighted average. Number five, financial statements. Tally allows you to generate a wide range of financial statements such as balance sheets, profit and loss statements, cash flow statements, and trial balances. These reports provide an overview of your financial position and performance. Number six, taxation. Tally provides features to facilitate tax compliance. It supports various tax systems including VAT, value added tax, GST, goods and services tax, TDS, tax deducted at source, and TCS, tax collected at source. It helps you calculate and file tax returns accurately. Number seven, bank reconciliation. Tally simplifies the process of bank reconciliation by automatically matching the transactions recorded in Tally with the bank statements. It allows you to identify and discrepancies and reconcile the balances. Number 8, payroll management. Tally includes a payroll module to manage employee salaries, deductions, allowances, and other payroll related tasks. It automates the calculation of salaries, generates pay slips, and assists with compliance to labor laws. Number 9, multilingual and multi-currency support. Tally supports multiple languages and currencies, making it suitable for businesses operating in different regions. It allows you to perform transactions, maintain accounts, and generate reports in the preferred language and currency. Number 10, data security and audit trails. Tally provides data security features to protect sensitive financial information. It allows you to assign user access levels, encrypt data, and create audit trails to track changes made to the accounts. These are some of prominent features of Tally, but the software offers much more functionality and can be customized to meet specific business requirements. Conclusion: Tally plays a vital role in the effective management of financial data and processes for businesses. It simplifies accounting tasks, provides real-time insights, facilitates inventory management, ensures compliance with regulations, enhances data security, and offers scalability and customizations. By leveraging the features of Tally, businesses can streamline their operations, make informed decisions, and maintain accurate financial records, ultimately contributing to their overall success. Thanking you all for listening me patiently. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.